Hi, my name is Karen Laughlin, and I am part of the Woodbridge Middle School Technology Initiative Committee, and I will be going over our one-to-one Chromebook initiative. So I'll first go over our technology vision statement, which is to ensure that teachers have the digital tools and professional development necessary to integrate technology into the curriculum so that all students have equal access to technology. It is with this technology that Woodbridge Middle School students will have a greater opportunity to develop the 21st century skills needed to compete in a global society. So the Technology Initiative Committee conducted a needs assessment survey to determine if the vision statement has been successful. This survey was sent out to staff members in every content area. Responses were received by math teachers, ELA teachers, science teachers, social studies teachers, and a reading specialist. So now to go over some of our results that gave us insight on the direction that we needed to go, we will look at the following. So this first slide shows how many teachers are incorporating technology to enhance learning. So if you look here, purple would represent always. We have 0% of teachers who are always integrating technology into their lessons. We only have 13% who say often, and unfortunately the majority don't incorporate technology very often at all. So only about 27% said sometimes, 40% said occasionally, and unfortunately 20% of teachers never integrate technology into their lessons. So we are clearly not meeting the goals of our vision statement. One of the main limitations that we have that are causing some teachers not to use technology in the classroom is limited availability. So there's just not enough technology to go around for all the teachers and all the students. So that is causing a problem. The next thing is a lack of professional development. The teachers might not exactly know how to incorporate the technology into their curriculum. So we need to provide some training for that to happen. If you look here at the next slide, we've asked the staff if professional development would help them to integrate a one-to-one program. One-to-one meaning that there would be one laptop for each student in every classroom. Results here show that we have about 87%. If you look here between the 4 and the 5, if you add that together, we have about 87% saying that professional development would help them in the classroom. So if you look, our conclusion after going over the data is to pursue a one-to-one laptop program. That was the program that most teachers here were interested in. If you look over here in our question, most of the teachers are interested in incorporating a wide variety of digital instructional strategies, including unique form of assessments, small and individualized activities, differentiated instruction, and digital apps. So those were the heavy hitters here on our question. So we also need to provide professional development to staff because they believe that that would help them to implement these instructional strategies into the curriculum. We are also going to pursue Chromebooks because they are the most cost-effective solution when compared to other laptops, and they're versatile and they're easy to use. So in conclusion, I hope this demonstrates why and how we came to the conclusion that we are going to pursue a one-to-one Chromebook program at Woodbridge Middle School. Thank you for watching.